So you're ready to permanently delete your Telegram account. It's a bigger deal than you might think. A lot of people assume that just dragging the app icon to the trash can is all it takes, but that's not even close to the full story. Your data, your messages, your entire chat history, it all stays on Telegram's servers even when the app is long gone from your phone. Don't just uninstall the app. That does almost nothing to your data. Simply deleting the application from your device leaves your account and all its information active in the cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way, a complete guide to permanently and irreversibly deleting your Telegram account. And most importantly, I'll walk you through the one crucial step that almost everyone forgets: how to save all your chats, photos, and files before they're gone forever. Stick around because you really only get one shot at this. Before we even think about touching that delete button, we have to talk about backing up your data. This is, without a doubt, the most important part of this whole process. Once you delete your Telegram account, everything is gone for good. There's no recovery. Your conversations, shared media, and contacts will be wiped from Telegram's servers forever. This is a final move, so creating a backup isn't just a suggestion, it's essential if you want to hang on to your digital memories. So why is this step so critical? Think about it. The years of conversations, the thousands of photos from friends and family, the important documents you saved. For many of us, Telegram becomes a kind of life archive. Deleting your account without a backup is like throwing away a photo album and a filing cabinet at the same time. Now, here's something you really need to know. The only official way to export your entire chat history is by using the Telegram desktop application. You cannot do a full export from your phone, whether you're on Android or iOS. The mobile apps just don't have this feature. So for this part, you'll need to hop on a computer. Here's how to create a full backup of your Telegram data step by step. First, download and install the Telegram desktop app from their official website if you don't already have it. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once it's installed, log into your account. The fastest way is usually by scanning a QR code with your phone. Just go to Settings, then Devices, and tap Link Desktop Device. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon in the top left corner, the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click it. From the menu that slides out, select Settings, and then find the Advanced section. In the Advanced settings, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. This is where the magic happens. Clicking it opens a window called Export Your Data, giving you full control over what you save. You'll see a bunch of checkboxes for different data types: account information, contacts list, personal chats, bot chats, private groups, and so on. You can select everything for a complete archive or just pick what's most important to you. Below that, you'll find options for media like photos, videos, voice messages, and stickers. One of the most important settings here is the size limit slider. If you've sent or received large files, you need to drag this slider all the way to the right. If you don't, larger files might get skipped in the export. Next, choose the format. You get two options: human-readable HTML and machine-readable JSON. For pretty much everyone, human-readable HTML is the way to go. This creates a neat offline website of your chats that you can open in any browser. The JSON format is really just for developers. Finally, you can set a date range, but for a full backup, just leave it alone. Double-check your settings, make sure the download path is correct, and then hit the export button. The export can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on how much stuff you have in your account. Just be patient and let it do its thing. Once it's done, click Show My Data to open the folder with your backup. You'll find a file named exportresults.html. Double-click it and you can browse all of your chats, media, and all right from your computer. No internet needed. You can also export a single chat. Just open that specific chat, click the 3-dot menu in the corner, and select Export Chat History. Now that your data is safely stored, we can move on to the actual deletion with some peace of mind. Alright, with your data securely backed up, you're ready to delete your account. Telegram gives you two different ways to do this. The first is an automatic self-destruction based on inactivity, and the second is an immediate manual deletion. Let's walk through both. This first method is built right into the Telegram app on your phone. It lets you set a timer, and if you're inactive for that long, your account gets automatically and permanently deleted. It's a good option if you're thinking of taking a long break but aren't 100% sure you want to delete it this very second. Here's how you set it up. Open Telegram on your phone, go to Settings, and then tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Delete My Account section. You'll see an option that says If Away For. By default, this is usually set to 6 months. If you tap on it, you can change it to 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. If you choose 1 month, your account will be deleted if you don't log in at least once during that time. If you do log back in, the timer resets. If not, boom, Telegram will wipe your account. This method is super easy to set up, but it's passive. It won't happen right away. If you're absolutely sure you want your account gone right now, the self-destruct timer isn't for you. For immediate deletion, you have to use Telegram's special deactivation page through a web browser. Or you can do it directly on the settings that I have shown you and click Delete Account Now. The steps should be the same as on the browser, but they are in the app. Let me show you the hard way in the browser. First, open your browser and go to my.telegram.org/delete. The page will ask for your phone number. Make sure you enter it in the full international format with your country code starting with a plus sign. After you enter your number and click Next, Telegram will send you a confirmation code. Now listen closely because this is important. The code will not be an SMS text message. It will arrive as a message inside your Telegram app from a service account. This is a security check to make sure that you're the one actually trying to delete the account. Open Telegram, find that message, and copy the code. Now head back to the browser page, paste the code into the confirmation code field, and click Sign In. You're now on the final screen. You can type in a reason for leaving if you want to, but it's optional. Below that, you'll see the big button, Delete My Account. Click it. A final pop-up will appear warning you that this is permanent. It'll ask you, are you sure? Click the red button that says, Yes, delete my account. And that's it. Your account is gone. For iPhone users, there's sometimes a shortcut. In the app, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Right below the If Away For option, you might see a link that says Delete Account Now. If you see it, you can tap it to delete your account without using the browser method we just covered. So you did it. You clicked the button and your account is deleted. What does that actually mean? First, this is permanent. All your messages, media, and contacts stored in the Telegram cloud are gone, and you can't get them back. So what do other people see? In your old chats, your name and profile picture will be replaced with deleted account. But, and this is a big one, the messages you sent will still be there. Deleting your account doesn't erase your messages from your friends' phones. The conversation history remains, just with your side of it attributed to a ghost. And what about any groups or channels you created? If you're the owner, they will continue to exist without you, becoming ownerless. You won't be able to get control of them back. If you have an important group, it's good manners to transfer ownership to someone else before you delete your account. Can you sign up again? Yes, you can create a new Telegram account with the same phone number. However, you might have to wait a little while, anywhere from a few hours to a few days, before Telegram lets you re-register that number. When you do come back, it's a completely fresh start, a brand new, empty account. None of your old chats or data will be there. And there you have it, the complete guide to deleting your Telegram account the right way. We covered the most important step of backing up your data, walked through both the self-destruct timer and the immediate deletion process, and talked about what happens after you're gone. Did this video help you out? If it did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience, drop a comment down below. I do my best to read and answer as many as I can. For more simple tech guides just like this one, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.